Good afternoon from Barker Canyon in Washington, Eastern Washington. We're headed southbound. I wanted to show you what it looks like here at camp. This is called, what is this lake called? This is called Banks Lake. So I wanted to show you what camp looks like. And we're right on the lake. I'm gonna try and climb that ridge tomorrow. It's ambitious. We're gonna see if we can make it up there. I'm dying to see what the view is like from up there. It's very peaceful here. I haven't seen a single person, and it's been hot finally, which I welcome. Let me tell you that right now. I'm loving this. But what a gem of a find this is. Definitely a little bit strange pointing south. We're gonna stay here a few days and head to Palouse Falls, which is more in the kind of in the center of the state, but favoring the east side. And that yeah, I want to see what those falls look like. It'll be you know, more canyons, but with that waterfall, hopefully the waterfall is flowing. I'll be counting on that. Nothing but the sounds of nature, an occasional fish jumping out of the water, and just bird song all day long. My little man thinks he's died and gone to heaven. It's just these places are magical. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow as we start the hike. We're gonna try to go up on that rim there and see the view from up there. I don't know, we can, you know, if we can make it, but we're gonna give it a nice try. So we're just making our way down this road here, and eventually we're gonna cut up to the left and go up there. But it's not looking promising, but especially, I mean, from far away it always looks doable. This is what I needed after leaving Idaho. Out of all the things that are harsh about this hike, these little things here that are literally covering the ground, the floor, are prickly. They when you pass by them, they come loose off the plant and they get in your shoes and in your socks, and every step's like a little prick. It's ambitious, guys. We're gonna try though. Think we got enough water for barely this hike. Should have brought both bottles. I just brought one. The only shade within miles, right here, for the little man. You know, he treats every mile like it's the last mile, and he doesn't know that we have to go up there. Little light on the water. I underestimated the exposure. As we proceeded up the mountain, the sharp black rocks would become too hot for Brady's feet to handle. Once I detected his panic and pain, I immediately picked him up. This was no longer a fun exploration, and matters quickly escalated. as I now had to carry a 50-pound dog awkwardly down a very steep grade of rocks along with the filming gear. I used the last of the water on Brady to cool his head and feet, and as if that wasn't enough, my shoes both began to give way under the added weight and having to go down the mountain sideways. We eventually made it back to camp, but exhausted beyond belief. For the first time on this adventure, I took a nap in the afternoon. Are you posing? Are you posing for the camera? How you gonna get up here? How you gonna get up here? Huh? How you gonna get up here? Now what? Come on, let's go. Oh, good job, buddy. Wow. Good boy. We decided to check out what's on the other side of the lake this morning. Got my other shoes on. It's pretty cool down over on this side. See, we're all the way over on the other side. So we came over here today. There's a cool little beach right here. This is a really nice spot. And there's also a camp spot right there too, which I did not know of. But for next time, keep going over here so you can swim. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right on in, right on in. There you go. That's it. This water is just so clear. Typical, you know, you go on a little hike, you think, you know, let's go see what's in those outcroppings, and you end up finding a little gem like this. Look at this. This is very cool. Gosh. Welcome to Palouse Falls in Washington, Eastern Washington. Pretty amazing geological formations here. I know you can hear them in the background, but I'm gonna wait until we start filming. Unbelievable. Unfortunately, it's overcast today, and it will be. It was yesterday, and we need to get going, so there's really no other option but to film today. Hopefully the rain will subside, but I'm very excited to show you this. It's absolutely stunning. So without further ado, let's get to it. Can't believe this. This is on the Snake River. I mean, it's a huge boat. I didn't think it was going to be deep enough for such a boat like that. I seriously cannot believe that there is a river cruise in the Snake River. Very cool though. It barely fits in the river. I looked it up when it came by last night, and apparently they incorporate Hell's Canyon, the deepest canyon in North America, even deeper than the Grand Canyon, into their cruise. Can you imagine that? Looking up at towering canyon walls.
So hard to